The demand for electric kettles has surged as more people seek convenience, speed, and precision in their daily routines. Whether it's for brewing tea, coffee, or preparing instant meals, a quality electric kettle delivers efficiency and style. In this guide, we evaluate the best electric kettles based on boiling speed.
List number 1. Kusari Electric Kettle. No plastic filter and spout. The Kusari Electric Kettle stands out for its premium craftsmanship and commitment to purity. Featuring a borosilicate glass body and stainless steel spout with no plastic contact, it ensures every cup of water tastes clean and fresh. The 1.7-liter capacity easily accommodates family or office use, while the 1500-watt heating element brings water to a rapid boil in just 3 to 6 minutes. The elegant blue LED indicator adds a stylish touch, letting you know when the kettle is heating. Safety is prioritized with auto shutoff and boil dry protection, ensuring the unit turns off when water is depleted. Its wide opening lid makes cleaning effortless, and the 360-degree swivel base provides convenient handling. This Kusari model combines speed, durability, and minimalist aesthetics, making it a perfect addition to modern kitchens. List number 2. Chefman Electric Kettle, 1.8-liter 1500-watt. The Chefman 1.8-liter electric kettle delivers exceptional performance for tea and coffee lovers who value both speed and volume. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, it boils water faster than a microwave while maintaining energy efficiency. Its large 1.8-liter capacity makes it ideal for families, offices, or gatherings. Constructed with borosilicate glass and stainless steel, it's both durable and sleek. The illuminated LED indicator ring glows blue while boiling, adding a visual appeal and letting you know when your water is ready. It features auto shutoff and boil dry protection, ensuring safe operation every time. The 360-degree swivel base allows cordless convenience, while the ergonomic handle remains cool to the touch. Users will appreciate the easy pour spout and wide lid opening for quick cleaning and refilling. List number 3. Chefman Electric Kettle with Temperature Control. For tea and coffee connoisseurs, the Chefman Temperature Control Electric Kettle offers unmatched precision and performance. Featuring 5 preset temperature settings ranging from 160 degrees Fahrenheit to 112 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures optimal brewing for green tea, black tea, coffee, and even instant oatmeal. Its digital display and intuitive buttons make operation simple and accurate. The 1.8-liter glass body and 1500-watt fast boil system deliver quick heating, while the keep warm function maintains your desired temperature for up to 60 minutes. Built with stainless steel accents and LED illumination, it's as beautiful as it is functional. Safety-wise, it includes auto shutoff, boil dry protection, and a cool touch handle, ensuring worry-free use. The removable lid and cordless 360-degree base enhance convenience during pouring and cleaning.
List number 4. Amazon Basics Electric Stainless Steel Kettle for Tea and Coffee. The Amazon Basics Electric Stainless Steel Kettle combines simplicity, efficiency, and reliability at an unbeatable price. Made with brushed stainless steel, it's both durable and sleek, ideal for minimalistic kitchens. The 1-liter capacity is perfect for quick cups of tea, coffee, or instant noodles. Its 1500-watt concealed heating element ensures rapid boiling while minimizing scale buildup. Safety features like auto shutoff and boil dry protection make it worry-free to use. The cordless design with 360-degree rotational base provides easy lifting and pouring, while the cool touch handle prevents burns. This kettle is a fantastic entry-level option that delivers fast performance without any unnecessary frills. It's compact enough for dorms, offices, or small kitchens, but powerful enough to impress daily users. List number 5. Ovente Electric Kettle, 1.7-liter fast boiling water heater for coffee or tea. The Ovente Electric Kettle blends affordability, speed, and vibrant design. Equipped with a 1500-watt power base, it brings 1.7 liters of water to a boil within minutes, perfect for busy mornings or hosting guests. The borosilicate glass body and stainless steel accents ensure long-term durability and a premium look. A blue LED light beautifully illuminates the water during boiling, creating a satisfying visual cue. Built-in auto shutoff and boil dry protection enhance safety, while the heat-resistant handle and 360-degree rotating base make it effortless to use and pour. The Ovente kettle is available in multiple colors, making it both functional and decorative. It's easy to clean, energy efficient, and delivers dependable performance day after day.